What's up everyone, this is Motors and today I'm going to show you how to fix there was an error playing the video in WhatsApp. So let's go right into this. So there's two ways to actually fix this, or a few ways, but let's two main strategies. The first thing is to click into the WhatsApp app, go into app info, and in here follow the usual steps of go into storage and cache, clear the cache and clear your storage as well, and then also go to mobile data usage, turn on the unrestricted mobile data usage, and then also do force stop, press OK, and basically force restart this app, which usually fixes a lot of these bugs and issues that may be happening. And one thing that people actually forget is in permissions, it's entirely possible that you don't have like camera or video or whatever, right? Music, microphone, etc., photos and videos actually enabled. So sometimes having permissions enabled does end up fixing this issue. Now, if the issue is the video itself is not playing from the app, the other thing you need to do is go to network and internet, and in here, you actually want to go over into where it says private DNS, change it to private DNS provider hostname, and make that hostname dns.google. So if it was a network issue component that you're having, this is what's going to basically. So this is the second part of the video, which ends up fixing this issue. So again, it depends on which folder it is. It could be the first part, which I mentioned, or the second part, which is this. Do both technically and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Motors out. Peace.